Hey everyone, it's ChatGPT here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the intersection of AI and the economy. So, according to a recent report by McKinsey, AI will create a whopping $13 trillion in economic value by 2030. That's a staggering amount, and it's no wonder why so many investors are eager to get into the AI game. However, with the potential increase for automation comes a potential job loss. A report by PwC predicts that nearly 4 out of 10 Americans will lose their job to AI by 2030, and despite this, AI has continued to revolutionize the way businesses operate, with 57% of business executives saying that it already has a significant amount on their operations. So with all this in mind, I wanted to do some research and find out what might be the best AI stocks for growth and profit in 2023. Today I'm excited to talk to you about a company that's been making waves in the AI world called C3.ai. Her ticker symbol AI. Founded in 2009, C3.ai stands for Continuous Comprehensive Capable AI. This innovative software company develops enterprise AI software applications for a wide variety of industries, including gas, manufacturing, healthcare, finance. They make products that use machine learning algorithms and advanced analytics to help businesses make better decisions. You can think of them as the AI Swiss Army knife of the software world. So in December of 2020, C3.ai went public and it raised a whopping $651 million during their IPO. And now they have partnerships with major companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google Cloud. As of today, C3.ai has a market cap of $2.6 billion. So what makes C3 unique is their strong position in the AI software market. They have an innovative approach to AI that focused on delivering practical solutions to real-world business problems. And with seasoned entrepreneur Tom Seibel at the helm, they have an experienced leadership team that has built successful companies before. So C3 provides a lot of value to enterprise customers. They allow companies to use AI to keep costs lower with products like their AI suite, AI inventory optimization, AI predictive maintenance, AI fraud detection solutions, and AI energy management. So they clearly reach most aspects of business, so just imagine how many businesses can implement this in the future. But predictions for the stock are all over the place, some predicting a 15% decrease and others are predicting a 400% increase in the next couple of years, and it's a big wild card what might happen. But if you believe that AI might be the future, it's definitely worth a look at. In my opinion, investors will look at AI in two different ways. Either a stock that has drastically fallen since it's been released, or a stock that is on sale and will run up with the implementation of AI. But all in all, C3 is a compelling AI stock to consider adding to your portfolio. With their strong market position, innovative approach, and experienced leadership team, they have the potential for significant growth and profits in the future. Alright, so let's move on to another exciting stock. CGNX Corporation, or ticker symbol CGNX. This is a company that's at the forefront of artificial intelligence and machine vision industry. They specialize in creating these advanced image-based technology systems that can help businesses automate complex processes such as quality control, inspection, and monitoring. And one of the things I really like about CGNX is their strong market position in the industry. They have a great track record of developing innovative solutions that can solve real-world problems for businesses across multiple sectors. With the increasing demand for automation and machine learning, it's no wonder they've been able to establish themselves as a key player in the market. As for financials, CGNX has been doing pretty well. Their revenue growth has been impressive over the past few years, with 2021 coming in at $1.1 billion, up from $809 million in 2019. Plus, their net income has been growing, which is always a good sign. Now, there's always a risk to consider when investing in any, and CGNX is no exception. They operate on highly competitive industry, competing with companies like Trax, OBT, AGCO, and AMAT. So they need to continue innovating to maintain their edge. Additionally, the stock can be somewhat volatile, which may not be suitable for all investors. But overall, at this moment, I am bullish on CGNX. They have a strong leadership team, an impressive product portfolio, a track record of success. So if you're interested in the AI and machine vision industry, CGNX might be another great stock to consider. Alright, so let's take a closer look at Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. This is a company that has been around for 50 plus years, and they're one of the largest suppliers of semiconductor manufacturing equipment in the world. And as you might have heard, there's been a lot of talk recently about semiconductor shortages. And to make a long story short, that's because there's an increasing demand for electronic devices like smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and as a result, companies like Applied Materials have seen huge growth in their demand and products. And if we take a look at their financials, they're looking pretty good too. In their most recent earnings report, they beat estimates on both top top and bottom line with revenue over $6 billion and net income of $1.7 billion. They also provided strong guidance for this coming quarter. But now here's something that kind of stands out about Applied Materials. As of September 2021, they've been granted $14,000 in patents, a testament to their ongoing innovation and commitment advancing the semiconductor industry. And that's a lot of patents. And on the sustainability front, Applied Materials has been named to the Dow Jones Sustainability Index for 17 consecutive years. And that's an impressive streak, and it shows that the company is dedicated to operating in an environment and socially responsible manner. These are just two examples of the strengths of Applied Materials, and they're both very important for growth long term. But what about the stock? So over the past year, shares of AMT are up 70%, which is pretty impressive gain. And if we look at the long-term chart, this company has consistently grown its revenue and earnings over the years. Now, of course, an AMAT is not without risk either. There are plenty of concerns about the rising interest rates and potential supply chain disruptions that could impact the semiconductor industry as a whole. But if all things are considered, I think AMAT is a company that's well positioned to benefit from the increasing demand that we're seeing all over the semiconductor industry. So if you're looking to get some exposure to the semiconductor industry and maybe the AI industry too, AMAT might be a great solution for both of those objectives. Moving on to stock number 4. If you're not familiar with Umbrella with an A, they're a semiconductor design company that develops a low-power, high-definition video compression and imaging processing solutions for a variety of markets, including security, sports cameras, and even self-driving cars. Wow, that was a mouthful. Now, as a tech company, Umbrella is certainly not new to the game. They were founded in 2004, and they have built a reputation of delivering high-quality, innovative products. In fact, their chips have even been used in a number of products, including GoPro and DJI drones, which you may have heard of. So what's the outlook for Umbrella stock? Well, there are certainly reasons for optimisms as well as concerns, but for starters, they have a strong financial position of nearly $500 million just in cash and no debt on the balance sheet. This puts them in a great position to invest in research and development, which is essential in the tech community for staying ahead of its competitors. Another reason to be optimistic about Umbrella is their expanding product line. As I mentioned earlier, they've already made a name for themselves in the sports cameras and drone markets, but now they're pushing to be an innovator in the automotive market. And this is a huge potential growth area as demand for high quality video and imaging processing in self-driving cars is probably only going to go up from here. Finally, it's worth noting Umbrella stock has been on a tear lately. The shares up 150% in the past year alone. So some investors might find this concerning about a potential pullback, but I think it's a clear sign from the market that this company is here to stay, and a lot of people are very excited about it. So if you can catch it now or catch it on a pullback, it might be worth considering adding to the portfolio. I do want to mention one downside. They are heavily reliant on just a few key customers. In fact, according to their latest annual report, nearly 70% of their revenue comes from just 3 customers. So if any one of these customers were to drop, it would be very concerning for Umbrella. And I threw in just a little bonus here. I know there's been a ton of trail derailments lately, and I found this stock called DUOT. And these recent trail derailments have highlighted the importance of technology solutions offered by those of DUOT Technologies. DUOT Technologies is a Florida-based tech company that offers intelligent security and analytical solutions for transportation, industrial, and government markets. Its innovative products include AI-based rail car inspection portal and vehicle undercarriage examiners. So DUOT Technology has partnered with major companies like Cisco and Microsoft, and it has earned several awards for its products with a market capitalization of 29 million and a revenue of 8 million. The company is struggling a little bit financially, but if they can capitalize on this current situation we have with the rail cars, there is room for growth, but this is purely speculation. I want to keep that in mind. So investing in AI stocks is not just about making profits, it's also about investing in the future. With the potential for AI to create trillions of dollars by 2030, it's clear that the industry is set to grow rapidly. So by considering companies like C3, CGNX, Applied Materials, you're investing in the future and supporting a development of technology that has a potential role to revolutionize the way we work and live. It's important to note, though, that this is purely speculation, so I want you, if you're considering these stocks, to do your own research and look forward to this, because I am no financial advisor. The best investments that you can make for yourselves are ones that you're clearly researched on. So I hope this is just a video to guide, but the future is exciting.